Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone down and removing the case and SIM tray so you can access the edges safely. Once done, inspect the glass and frame closely. Hairline cracks or liquid stains explain many display faults. Make sure to note the line color, white, black, green, or multicolor, because that tells you whether the issue is backlight, LCD driver, or panel damage. Now, prepare a soft cloth, a small Phillips, and an ESD strap. You will open it next. You'll carefully open the phone using controlled torque and a pry tool. Keep screws ordered on a mat. Once inside, disconnect battery first to avoid shorts, then detach the display flex. A loose or oxidized connector often causes lines. Use a magnifier to inspect the LCD driver region and nearby capacitors for corrosion or heat damage, because those indicate board-level faults. If connectors look fine, reseat them and clean contacts with isopropyl 90%. Make sure to wait for full evaporation before reassembly. You now replace the damaged component. Start with the cheaper flex cable, then the full LCD assembly if needed. Install OEM or high-quality parts, reconnect battery, and power on to test before applying new adhesive and sealing the chassis. Make sure to follow torque specs for screws and let adhesive cure a few hours. If lines persist, the issue is likely the display driver IC or mainboard. At that point, swap the screen with a known good unit or seek board-level repair. Don't force pins or you'll cause more damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.